You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation as a biblical name, a name from the Bible, and we'll get to a Chinese pronunciation as well, or Malaysian. For more names from the Bible, stay tuned. In the Bible, Seah, Seah. Some may say it also as Seah, which is also correct, but in English, Seah. Chinese pronunciation is also Seah, Seah. Some may pronounce it also as Shia, Shia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.